guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, features, and launch dates would be also posted. So please make sure that you do a screenshot and check with your CAs for availability and pre-order. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! For today's episode, I'll be sharing August releases of new Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU product features, and launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot for your reference, and for pre-orders and availability, please check with your CAs. Happy shopping! Alright, let us start first with the men's Fall-Winter 2024 Runway Cowboy Collection by Pharrell, launching August 8, 2024. So first we have the Speedy 40. Price of this one is €14,900. So this is the drop 2 of this collection. This is a leather Speedy in size 40 with cowboy details, detachable adjustable strap, and it comes with all the goodies that you need for the Speedy. And then we have the Keepall 50, still from the same collection. Guys, please take note of the price. Whopping $25,000 USD. We have SKU here. Keepall 50 with cowboy details. It would come with detachable and adjustable strap, padlock, key clochette, and it would come with gold hardware as well. Next, on the cowboy theme collection by Pharrell, we have this very beautiful Keepall 50 toolbox. Price is again $25,500 USD. SKU provided. Material is leather Keepall, that is size 50. What I'm loving about this one, it has pocket details, detachable adjusted strap, but guys, the accessories does not come with. It is sold separately. Then we have the Speedy 40 bandolier. Price of this one is €4,500 or $5,550 USD. So much affordable price compared to the earlier ones. Same collection, leather Dakota flowers, standing rock tribe, detachable adjustable strap, padlock, key clochette, and it comes with gold hardware. Next, let us check out the shoes for the Fall-Winter 2024 men's by Pharrell. So this is a collaboration by Louis Vuitton and Timberland. First, we have the ankle boots. Price of this one is $2,850 USD. Launching is August 8, 2024. So as you're going to see that the overall of the bag is covered with the Louis Vuitton monogram because it would have the same shoes, but this one more of a quiet luxury. This was still ankle boots from the Louis Vuitton x Timberland collaboration, but price of this one is a little bit more affordable, $2,450. And the difference on this one, as you would notice, the body of the shoe does not come with the Louis Vuitton monogram compared to the first ankle boots that we have seen and discussed. Still from the collaboration. So next we have the Ranger boots. Price of this one is $2,990 USD. So this looks like the classic Timberland Ranger boots, but the difference is, as you're going to notice, again, the body of the shoes does not come with the Louis Vuitton monogram. It comes with gold hardware, and I'm loving the monogram detail on top of the Ranger boots. Then we have the mid boots by the Louis Vuitton x Timberland collaboration. Price of this one is $2,990. Guys, most of these we do not have the SKU, but kindly screenshot this one. I believe you could already pre-order this with your CAs. Launching on stores would be August 8, 2024. Next, guys, probably the most expensive footwear I've seen in my entire life. The name is High End from the collaboration. Guys, price is whopping $82,000 USD. Wow. So this is from the same collection, monogram leather with 18 gold embellishment. Comes with own shoe trunk, bag tag. That is why it is more expensive compared to the other shoes. Next, we have new design. We have Horizon size 55, launching August 30th. Price of this one is 3,850 USD. This is the rolling luggage in size 55. Giant reverse monogram, so there is no quiet luxury about this rolling luggage. I am loving the red interior, very vibrant. Next design, we have the Capucine size BB, launching August 2nd, 2024. Price of this one is 6,200 euro. We have SKU here. So Capucines in leather. It comes with top handle, has split or two leathers as you can see. Colorway is Berlingot. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Then we have this very beautiful side trunk MM. So this one very gorgeous from the fall winter 2024 runway collection, launching August 2nd. Price is 3,200 euro or 3,950 USD. Material is monogram canvas with Vivienne trims or vachetta leather, detachable top handle, and detachable crossbody strap. Still from the same collection, so we have the Louis Vuitton Mezzo. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Price is 2,200 euro or 2720 USD. SKUs provided, so monogram canvas is the body as you're going to notice. The shoulder strap is fully adjustable, but it would come with zipper for closure as well. And then we have the Ostrich Glaze Capsule Collection. First, we have the Vanity pouch. This capsule collection would be released August 1st, 2024. Price of this one is 7,200 euro. I am loving the colorway of this one. It would come, of course, with the padlock, keys, clochette, and detachable crossbody strap. Still part of the collection. So this one in the color blue, we have the very beautiful Vanity pouch. Also, as you can noticing that the ostrich leather, it looks like a little bit iridescent and shiny. How do you feel about that, guys? Price of this one is 7,200 euro. We have SKU here. Launch date is August 1st, 2024. Still from the Ostrich Glaze Capsule Collection, we have this very cute Capucines size mini. Price of this one is 8,100 euro. Material is ostrich leather. Colorway is pink. It's like a Sakura pink colorway. It would come with gold hardware. Definitely, this would come with a thicker leather strap as well. Next would be the Capucines size mini, this time in the colorway blue. A while ago it's pink. So which is your preferred choice, guys? Would it be the pink one or would it be like this Tiffany blue colorway? So this one, the price is 8,100 euro. Same configuration. It would come with the gold hardware with leather strap that is fully detachable. Then we have the Rose d'Avance size mini. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. Still part of the Ostrich Glaze collection. Price of this one is 8,100 euro. I'm actually loving this design, as you are going to notice. It has like the turn lock, it has the padlock, keys, and key clochette. Hopefully they would come up with this one on the monogram canvas or in AP leather. What do you think? Next collection, we have the Ostrich White Pearl Collection. First, we have this very beautiful pochette métis, very quiet luxury. Price is 7,600 euro. We have SKU here. It would come, of course, with top handle, detachable crossbody strap. It would come with gold hardware with S-lock for closure. Next, we have the very beautiful Loop PM. This is the very first time I've encountered the Loop PM in the exotic material, such as this ostrich material, ostrich white pearl. It would come with detachable crossbody strap, gold chain strap, and it would come with gold hardware, as you can see here. So all of the straps are fully detachable. Next, we have this very beautiful Vanity pouch. So price of this one is 7,200 euro. We have SKU here. Same material of the ostrich leather with the white pearl colorway. I'm not sure if the material or hardware is gold, but it looks a little bit like a champagne gold to me. What do you think, guys? Next, we have the Noe purse. So last but not the least, for this one, guys, unfortunately we do not have the price, but please take note of the SKU and of course take a screenshot of this one. So this would come with the same colorway, same material. It would come with detachable crossbody strap, and it would be launching August 1st. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, please do leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!